Time now for another look at the forecast. Meteorologist Robert Suhr is joining me now. I was looking at those temperatures behind you and before the commercial there. I mean, 70s, high 70s, and we're still in the first week of May.
We are, unfortunately, it warmed up very quickly. However, there are some signs that the middle of the month we could sneak below average, which will be nice to keep it as cool as possible for as long as possible after last summer's horrifically hot summer. There's Fayetteville, where we got up to 85. Not a record-breaking day, but close. Now, having said that, Fayetteville did set a record yet again for the second straight day for their all-time warmest morning for the date of 70 degrees. So this is a record. I would have rather taken this 33 that we had in 1992. That's a nice crisp morning instead of that heat and humidity as soon as you walk out the door in the morning. Fort Smith got up to 86, 6 degrees shy of your record set back in 2018 of 92 degrees. Notice our average. We should be in the upper 70s, not the mid to upper 80s for this time of the year. Very tricky forecast this week as we're going to be dealing with a very low predictability weather pattern. Kind of, the models really don't know what's going to happen. There could be some development of some clusters of storms tomorrow evening. That's something that we're watching. And then also rain chances almost every day for the rest of the week. So get used to seeing the rain. And you can see there's plenty of scattered popcorn variety showers and thunderstorms dying out here in northern Texas. A lot of severe thunderstorm warnings outside the Chicagoland area along Interstate 55 as you make your way up toward Rockville and Beloit, central Tennessee dealing with the storms, as well as into central Mississippi as well. In our area, we've got temperatures falling into the lower to mid 70s at this hour, mid to upper 70s in the River Valley. As we go through the rest of the night, things should be quiet for the most part. And I think most of Monday should be quiet. If you have travel plans to the northeast, watch this thunderstorm complex that'll impact areas between St. Louis and Springfield. And as that front that you see at the top of your screen sags toward our area, could pop off some showers and storms. We'll have new model data for the 10 o'clock show, which I'll show you. And it could look completely different than this, because a lot of times with these daytime heating storms, models really struggle with the development and placement and strength of them. But notice that they're still saying there could be showers and storms, and we could see an isolated severe storm tomorrow. But I think that would be the exception rather than the rule. And then as we go 6 to 10 days out, right around average temperatures are expected in our area, but 8 to 14 days out, ooh, we like to see the blue. That's where we could be slightly below average, middle to second half of the month. 60s tonight, another muggy air conditioning needed night, and then lots of 80s and a few 90s for our high temperatures as we kick off the work week on Monday. For some of you, the last week of school, I believe. The U of A graduation is next Friday. And we could be dodging a raindrop or two, but right now it's looking like we should be dry for Friday's big commencement at the University of Arkansas. All those graduates getting their diploma, Paul. In River Valley, about the same thing. Lots of impact days Monday through Thursday, and then we start to quiet down by the end of the week.